Hi, my name is Aaron Kent. Happy Friday. This is First Friday Pearl, and today I'm talking to you about job risk. So if you have a patient that works as a welder, I recently learned that the arc of the weld itself releases light, which is why they have to wear the headset. Not only is it just a visible light, but it also releases UVA and UVB, so that ultraviolet rays from the welding arc is the same type of damage that a patient's going to get from the sun or from a tanning bed. So the same lecture that you give to a patient regarding sun health and sun safety is especially important for their job safety. A lot of the times they'll have on the helmet and they might mention they sometimes get the welding burn or the welding sunburn. That is the exact same type of burn that they would get from the sun. So it will put them at the exact same risk of developing non-melanoma skin cancers as if they were just getting any normal sun exposure from a day at the beach, a day at the pool, or a day just out and about on the golf course. So make sure that in addition to wearing their eye protection, they're also covering up the rest of their body, that they're wearing the gloves to make sure that their hands are protected, and that in addition to not getting burned by the weld from the actual metal, they're also not getting burned by the UVA and UVB rays coming from that. So keep that in mind as you're talking to your patients about the job that they're doing or what they like to do for their hobby, or if they're doing any, very aggressive house projects, just in order to help keep them safe.